Hey guys, I'm Aurora. Welcome back to Forex Strategies Resources YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon on all so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Today in this video, I address the question of a possible use among the many of the TMA bounce overlay, a custom indicator of the TradingView platform. The interpretation I show is trend following, but it could also be used as a trend reversal trading method. Here, therefore, I address the issue of how to use this indicator to generate signals in the direction of the trend. I look at the combination of two types of TMA from a non-algorithmic graphical point of view. The trend is determined by the crossing of two moving averages of the TMAs. When the gray line is greater than the black one, the trend is upward, and therefore only the bullish signals are considered when the gray line is less than the black one. Only the bearish signals are evaluated. The buy and sell signals seen on the chart are generated by the TMA overlay. In the following image, I will show you the setup of the strategy. Time frame 50 minutes or higher. Best item frames. Currency pairs any. Platform TradingView. Trading rules. Trade only in the direction of the trend. Trend up gray line greater than the black line. Trend down gray line less than black. Buy. Trend up plus buy arrow. Sell. Trend down plus sell arrow. Exit position. Place an initial stop loss at the previous week high low. Profit target at opposite signal or when there is the opposite intersection of the gray line with the black one. Examples of trades. In the following video, I will show you the examples of trades. So, if you're enjoying the content of this video, make sure to smash the like button. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us also on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!